Hi, this is SK. This video is about how trend lines works for me without any indicators and tells me all. Every morning I'm looking for one best move in any stock which can give me good return on my investment, like 10, 15, 5, 2, whatever we can take out of that stock. Uh, I'm making this video to share how this method works for me and might as well work for all of us. Every candle is telling us a lot about what bulls and bears are trying to do. Bears are trying to break the trend, and that's what I want because I want to short the stock. And you know, I was in position here. Say I was planning to short 1,000 shares. I was short at 700, assuming to scale in up to 1860, 1870, 1880, uh, maybe double top failure, maybe sometime bulls give one leg up. But overall, this stock is very bearish. You can see the first candle tells you all. And I'm always looking to find when bears and bulls have made the top or the bottom of the day. That gives me conviction in my trade. It becomes a great risk reward ratio candidate, which I really prefer to trade, which I really want to trade, because I don't want to risk my money around and don't know what's the top or what's the bottom of the day. Now you can see bulls are struggling. Bear might have made the top of the day, and bulls are struggling to take the top. Most importantly, what we need to see here is if bears win now, they will give us the best move of the day, and that's all we're looking for. One best move and 5, 10, 15% return. Whatever is written on stock chart is what I'm thinking at that moment. What should I do? What I shouldn't do? I believe this is very important for any trader to understand and have a procedure, have a thought process, what they're going to do. As at that point, every candle you are in profit or you're in loss. The reversal bar here after bulls failed assured me that bears are in control. They have already made the top of the day, and I believe one thing for sure that we should also look for how much the stock can move, and we should have a very realistic approach here. I covered some of my position here as this candle might lead to shallow pullback, and I always scale in. In major move of the day, I often sell some position and scale in, but that's not for beginners. It can be very risky, and you can give all your profits back to the market. Uh, uh, we should take when market gives. It's my belief that when market is giving you, just take it, just lock your profits in. I also use rate of change with my trend lines, a rate of change with something which gives me a lot of conviction that I'm with the trend. I shot it again the same number of shares I covered here. As in day trading, channels, trend lines, trading ranges are happening so fast. We need to be moving our trend lines every few minutes, and as of now, this guy is in triangle. It's trading in triangle. Bear 10 break will again assure us that bear are in control. And I have taken these pictures live, and you can see all we need is few lines drawn to make money. I also use rate of change with something which helps me a lot though. I have covered 50% here as a rate of change is showing some weakness in bear, uh, which can give us some shallow pullback and all. And again, I often scale in after I cover until the stock is not trading around a calculated move. As a rate of change is towards bear, this triangle should give us one final move, and I might cover all. In bear stock, trend line is very important, but sometimes we see or we get some pullbacks as maybe stock hits some pro traders buy to cover order, and we know we will be getting the last move as someone out there is covering. In a bear stock or a bear trend, there is something very important to know that the first few bull bars are not buying, but someone covering. And for a better judgment for a day trading, I have 2 minute and 15-minute chart, and if I'm taking a swing, I will see a 3 day, 4 day, 2 day chart, just to see if any strong bull pattern or any strong covering pattern is coming up. Right now, I'm in very good profit. And I will not be risking it. I have very tight stop, and looking for last bear move, uh, and rate of change is telling me that. So I rather cover most of my position and lock my profits in. One stock give me the best move of the day. Uh, I try not to trade after that, but practice on the same stock by drawing trend lines and assuming how the stock will react. And after that, if I see some great price action, I do take scalp. Mostly I avoid though. Scalping is not at all for beginners. It can take all your profits back. My method is very simple, just few lines with rate of change, and that's all it takes to make money for me. And I hope this video can explain my method better. Uh, I will try to post my live trades at my Twitter account, Trade with SK. It improves my trading as well, and I'm trying to get better every day at it. And good luck, everyone. The most important thing I would like to say is do not take the trade if it's not the best trade, and cut your losses. Let your winners make a lot of money for you. Good luck.